No one expects to be the victim of a crime or disaster, but the truth is, it happens. Most of us aren't prepared to deal with the effects of loss, damage, or theft of our personal property. In these instances, the best outcome is a quick, equitable settlement. But what does that take? Most insurance companies require documentation for a settlement. Do you think you could remember and describe all the items in your home, or even a single room? Having a detailed home inventory can make all the difference. With Great Estates Home, it has never been easier to track and manage all of your belongings. And it's online, so the inventory is always at your fingertips. Through our safe and secure system, you can be sure that your information is protected and private, and always there when you need it. Don't let life's unexpected catch you off guard. No matter where you are in life, having a complete home inventory means peace of mind, so you can focus on what's important. Try before you buy with a 30-day free trial. Visit greatestateshome.com to get started today.